and welcome to NNLM Delivery. In this video, you'll learn how to download a file. If you would like to download one of your own files, click My Files, and then click the name of the specific file that you would like to download. On the following page, click the download link at the bottom of the window. If you received a notification that someone sent you a file via NNLM Delivery, you can click the link in the notification email or copy the URL and paste it into your web browser. Then on the File page, click Download at the bottom of the window. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Thanks for watching. This video was produced by the network of the National Library of Medicine. Select the circular channel icon to subscribe to our channel, or select a video thumbnail to watch another video from the channel.